That's what you need, are more Nerf guns.
Katie has it!
Awesome!
What is it?
What is
Katie
it?
has it!
It's
Rexy?
alright, the bathroom door's closed. Oh, it's a fashion design, huh? Get to make your own dresses?
Yeah.
Wow.
Very cool.
No, you can make your own stuff. You can put shoes on her, and you can put different kind of stuff on there.
Oh.
Very cool. He's like, what is that?
I don't know.
He's sniffing the tripod.
It's life.
Woo-hoo.
Awesome.
But we're gonna have fun family nights now, huh?
Good thing you asked for all the
New games.
Hey, Abby, look it. I got life. Awesome game. Hey, it's a new version, too.
Okay, Abby.
It's a new version. I got one thing left.
Come on, Abby. Let me see. What'd you get?
Club Penguin Mancala.
Oh, your own Mancala game, huh?
Awesome.
And it's Club Penguin, too.
That's cool. Alright, Zach, it's your turn.
Oh, it's close. I think I know that. Nope. Oh, yeah. The biggest for last.
You're saving the biggest for last, huh?
Close. Abby didn't get any clothes. This, I bet, isn't clothes. That is Polly Pockets.
It's an awful big Polly
I
Pocket.
know. And she doesn't need any more Polly Pockets. She just got a bunch last night.
Yeah, I know, because I love Polly Pockets. Change it again.
You wanted to make you work for it, I guess, huh?
No. Need some help? I guess nothing
We
comes
should
for
next
free.
year he would tape it. He taped it for last year too. Look at that.
Oh my
Ooh.
gosh, you got your own Bop It now.
You can play Bop It too,
Yes!
Holy macaroni, you are Game City over there, Zachary. Okay, Abby.
Oh, no, turn yeah, see, it says that, and then it says, I'm going to sleep. Listen, listen. I'm leaving this out. This you can, see the green thing has to be over here when you want shouting. This over here, not.
What's that, Abby? Abby!
What is it? Scooter?
Yeah.
Finally!
Your own scooter!
Finally! Shouldn't have to use mine anymore! I'm gonna play with this.
Let me see, Ab.
Stand up. We can throw this away. He tricked me to thinking he was